Welcome to today's exploration of the frontier of technology and innovation, where we dive into Tesla's latest breakthrough that's setting the stage for a new era in robotics. We're talking about the Optimus Gen 2, a leap forward that promises to redefine our understanding of robots in the workplace. Cast your mind back to Tesla's first foray into robotics. Impressive, yes, but it felt like the opening chapter of a much larger story. Now, imagine flipping straight to the climax. That's what Tesla has done with the Gen 2. This isn't just an update, it's a transformation, a glimpse into a future where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives. Imagine a coworker who's always on time, never fatigued, and capable of tasks that stretch the bounds of human endurance. That's the vision Tesla has brought to life with Optimus Gen 2. Designed to operate in human environments, this robot can undertake everything from heavy lifting to intricate assembly tasks. The breakthrough? A pair of hands guided by unprecedented technological finesse, capable of delicate operations that were once the sole domain of human touch. But it's not just about the hands. Optimus Gen 2 moves with a balance and fluidity that's a marvel to behold, showcasing agility that was once a distant dream. Why does this matter? Because it represents a pivotal shift in the capabilities of robotic assistance in our industries, making workplaces safer and more efficient and setting a new standard in automation. This evolution brings with it a cascade of questions about the future of work. What happens to jobs traditionally held by humans? The conversation is complex, but the emergence of robots like Optimus Gen 2 could herald a new age of employment, one where humans and robots collaborate, complementing each other's strengths. This transition isn't just about adapting to new job landscapes, it's about reimagining our societal structures, including education and workforce development, to prepare for a future where robots are an integral part of our lives. The implications extend beyond the factory floor. As robots become more integrated into various sectors, we're looking at a world where automation could enhance efficiency, safety, and innovation in ways we're just beginning to understand. But let's not forget, with technological advancement comes responsibility. The integration of robots like Optimus Gen 2 into our lives poses ethical, economic, and social questions that we must address collectively. How do we ensure a future where technology uplifts everyone? Tesla's vision with Optimus Gen 2 isn't just about offloading tedious tasks to robots. It's about freeing humans to focus on what we do best: creative and critical thinking, problem solving, and pushing the boundaries of innovation. As we stand on the brink of this exciting future, it's vital we engage in these conversations, contemplate the implications, and actively participate in shaping a world where technology and humanity progress hand in hand. So, what are your thoughts on the emergence of robots like Optimus Gen 2? How do you see them impacting our future? Share your insights and join the discussion below. And for more deep dives into the fascinating world of technology and innovation, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's continue exploring together, and until next time, keep looking forward to the future.